last day of my running, and I do not run now because the weather is very bad. As you can see, everywhere is cloud. So I have to go to my house, and I have been running here since for 3 months. When my phase 1 result come in 12th of April, then I started running in our ground, that ground, from 13 April, and today is 20 July, and now I'm pretty sure that I must qualified running and phase 2, because I also doing preparation for phase 2 for 3 months. Now everything's depend on him, and if he want, then everything possible. And so if I think that if I not selected, then I will not worry about my deselection, because I have learned many things from the Air Force phase 2, and it is very important part of my life in just 3 months, because I meet with new friends and having a new style of life, and I also make my body good, and you can say fit, because before the phase 2 exam, before my result, I was very fat, and I can't do any push-ups. 3 push-ups is very hard for me, but nowadays I can do 15 push-ups, and these 3 months is very good for me, and I have learned many things from these 3 months. And you can also see that I can speak English, not fluently, but enough for speaking, and I will be improve it more and more every day, each day. So it is not a difficult task to be a English speaker. You just have to try to with your friends, and until you talk in English, you can't speak English. So first you have to be improve yourself and read some vocabulary that are more useful in our daily lives, and first imply it. Then when will you think, then you will start thinking in English. So I just want to say that you have to be speak on English. And 3 months, very nice, but today my beautiful ground did not allow me for running because of rain, and you can see the cloud. So I'm not worried, and bye my ground. I say I will be come every day after my selection or deselection. When I come from the phase 2, then I will every day run, because when I started running, then my body is very fit, and I feel myself positive every day, because when you run, then your full body is energetic, and you feel yourself strong. So just for 1 week, I will be come back on here and started running on my ground. So I just need blessing from my grounds that I will be perform the same things in the real battleground. You can say that in my running in Air Force phase 2. So it is my journey, and I just want to say something to all of you, that we do preparation of any other competition exam, but sometimes we forget about defense exam, and we are safe on here just because of our soldiers are standing in border. So every village give 2 to 5 soldier in their border. It is very grateful for everyone, and you know the respect of soldiers, and I especially choice Indian Air Force because I like its dress blue and white, and after a few days after a few months I must wear it. Anyhow, I will be perform there very good, but medical, everything's depend on him, and he is with me, you can see, always with me. And so first I just want to say to you that surrender yourself to him, the God you love more. So thank you.